Guess what?
There's on the screen.
Oh, there it is.
Can you see him?
No, something's in the way.
Let's see.
Kids are in there.
What does he want in our garage?
Is
that where we put the fishing worms?
Yeah. Just about.
Can you smell those?
Yeah. Just about.
I think he can see them and he wants them.
That is funny. What kind of bird is that with the black and white? Black head and white body and black and white on the tail feathers.
Like, oh, that's why.
Woodpecker?
No.
Why?
Not the right type of beak.
What if there was a cat chasing the boy?
American woodpecker?
Hey, there's only one now.
American woodpecker.
That is funny bird behavior.
Yep.
We could call him a real bird brain.
Yeah.
Bird.
You know Dad's recording all this?
No, he's got it on pause.
You're doing
You have it on pause?
bird. Did you?
Told you.
Well, there's nothing to see right now. Why is he recording?
I don't know.
He's on the construction.
Okay, coming down now, Kelsey. Again.
Yeah. That is funny.
That's funny, isn't it? Okay, come on down.
No.